Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my daughter Destiny. As you see, we did a crochet braids in her hair. This hair was sponsored by the Janet collection. They contacted me to do a review for them for this hair, and this is actually their 18-inch. You guys know they always have the 24-inch, but they sent me a couple of packs of their 18-inch blue and also black, a bunch of it. So I decided to put one pack of blue in my daughter's hair and like 3 or 4 in the black. So this is how it turned out, and this is what it looks like. And we got number 1. And I'm gonna use 1 pack of blue, like I said, which is 10 strands per pack, and it's absolutely gorgeous on her. What do you think about it? You like it?
I think it is beautiful and gorgeous.
That's good, baby. And what do you think about the color? You like the color?
I like every color if Mama gives me.
All right, you're color your mommy give you? I think this is completely fabulous. We're in Florida, so this is what we do. We like colors, so
we live here.
So okay, hold the package up, baby, and show them one more time. And like I said, you guys, this is the Havana Mambo twist hair in 18 inches. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.